Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a sundae out of slime and like clay, and I'm also going to be doing it with Liberty. You may also know her as Peach123. Okay, let's get started. So we both have a cone to start with. Alright, so we're going to be swirling this so Liberty can open that. This clay is actually kind of hard, bro.
Oh.
Is this hard?
Kind of.
It stinks.
It smells like literally poop.
Yeah, bro, it smells like poop. I hate that
It
smell.
smells like chemicals.
Yeah. Okay, so we need to find the half of this. Okay, well, okay. Just gonna.
No. Just gonna roll it. Oh no. Hey, I didn't call you over here.
Cutting this in half. Oh,
Oh no.
Okay.
Bro, it's not ripping. Thank you. It took years. Oh no.
Okay, we cut them into half. Oh, yeah, slay.
I'm talking like you're Indian.
Okay, so now we're going to keep this in our container so we have more to do next time. I don't know when there's the next time, but yeah. And
Wait, I'm not there yet. You're going too fast.
I'm sorry.
You're like Flash.
Okay, now we cut these in half.
This is good.
So I'm just going to cut this one in half.
Okay, what do I do with this now?
Cut that in half. So like flatten it. Yeah, I know. Flatten it. No, take this one, flatten it. Okay.
Oh no!
My paper. Why did I just put it back together right whenever I cut it?
You don't think in your brain.
Okay. It's a good way to do it. Just put your hand here and so.
How do you cut it? I'm just gonna do it with this. Cutty. I'm a pizza maker.
Cutty.
Oh no, it didn't work.
Capricorn.
Ooh, that is nice. What do I do with them now? What do I do with it?
Oh.
Stop playing.
No, I'll give one to you. Trade.
Oh no.
Okay.
Raw. Oh, I almost fell. That was not good.
Yeah, we are like
Just doing that both times. It's like,
oh
oh no.
See, that's what happens when you do it both times.
Worms. Doodle, doodle, da, da.